Hi friends! Still remember me? Miss Gabby is here and today you're going to learn with me. But first, where's your smiling face? It's been a while since we've seen each other, yeah? Last time we saw each other was last year. And this is the new year. So I want to say Happy New Year to you. I hope you had a very wonderful New Year celebration. So let's continue on with our lesson today. The letter that I want to teach you today is about the letter N. Now the letter N, what sound does it make? Listen carefully, I'm going to tell you. The letter N makes the sound N. Can you make the sound with me? Repeat after me. N makes the sound N. Now I'm going to show you some pictures that has the beginning sound N, or pictures that begins with the letter N. Here's the first picture I want to show you. Do you see what her finger is touching? She is touching her nose. Nose. The word nose begins with the letter N. The next picture here is a nail. Nail. Do you see the nail stuck on the wood? Nail begins with the letter N. Next is the notebook. A notebook you can use for writing. You can practice to write simple words or your ABCs. You can also draw in a notebook. The last picture I want to show you is nuts. This is a picture of nuts. Can you see the almond and cashews? They are types of nut. The word nuts begins with the letter N. Okay friends, this is the end of our lesson for today. So we learned that the letter N makes the sound N. Can you make the sound again with me? N makes the sound N. Okay, I'll see you again next time in our next lesson. I'll see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.